Welcome to Curious Corner, where today we're diving into Lamborghini's latest marvel, the Temerario. Unveiled at the Quail during Monterey Car Week, this hybrid supercar is set to redefine performance and luxury in the world of high-end automobiles. Buckle up as we explore what makes the Temerario the ultimate successor to the iconic Huracán. Meet the Lamborghini Temerario, the newest member of the Italian automaker's hybrid lineup. This beauty replaces the Huracán, Lamborghini's best-selling super sports car, with a groundbreaking blend of power and technology. At its heart is a 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8 engine paired with 3 electric motors, delivering a jaw-dropping 920 horsepower. One of the standout features of the Temerario is its engine's ability to rev up to 10,000 RPM. This is a rare feat, usually seen only in motorsports, thanks to advanced components like titanium connecting rods and a flat-plane crankshaft. The result? A top speed exceeding 210 miles per hour and a 0-62 miles per hour acceleration in just 2.7 seconds. But the Temerario isn't just about raw power. It embodies Lamborghini's commitment to innovation with its hybrid technology, featuring a sophisticated powertrain that combines performance with enhanced handling through advanced torque vectoring. This hybrid system not only improves acceleration but also contributes to a more engaging driving experience. Visually, the Temerario continues Lamborghini's tradition of bold design. It sports a sleek, athletic silhouette with a new hexagonal light signature that pays homage to Lamborghini's design DNA. The car's aerodynamic enhancements and clean lines make it instantly recognizable and unmistakably Lamborghini. Inside, the Temerario offers a luxurious and tech-forward cabin. It features 3 screens on the dashboard for a futuristic and functional driving experience, including a 12.3-inch instrument panel and an 8.4-inch infotainment display. The interior design prioritizes both style and comfort, with increased headroom and legroom compared to the Huracán. For those seeking even more performance, Lamborghini offers the Alleggerita package. This lightweight option uses extensive carbon fiber to shave up to 25 kilograms from the car's weight, improving aerodynamics and handling. This package highlights Lamborghini's focus on maximizing performance while maintaining their distinctive design language. Customization remains a key part of the Lamborghini experience. The Temerario is available in over 400 color options, with various interior trims and carbon fiber components to create a supercar that's uniquely yours. With the Temerario, Lamborghini sets a new benchmark in the hybrid supercar segment, blending performance, technology, and luxury like never before. If you enjoyed this deep dive into Lamborghini's latest innovation, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more exciting updates from Curious Corner.